Wanted to have the point of view, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
You're rock, Karen. Hey guys, woohoo! Now you can show Steven what you do.
That's right.
I just don't want to ruin his camera.
Oh, neither.
And turn. And turn and hold it. There goes you. We need a sunny day. Next year I'll have to get his camera.
Ah, good.
We can get one mounted to your helmet. That would be cool.
Oh, yeah. Sit in there?
Huh?
We sit in there?
Yeah. You done a lot this year, kiddo.
Yes, I have.
Ready? And practice what we did. Practice and then turn. And practice. Hockey stop. Nice. Turn. Practice what we did and hockey stop. Nice. I wanted to get that on camera. There we go, now we can see. Turn. Turn. And turn. And turn. And turn. And turn. And turn. Hold that and turn. Turn. And turn. Turn. And turn. Jet ski on your left. Going past you here. Turn. Turn. And turn. Hold that. Turn. And turn. And turn. And turn. And turn. And turn. Good. Turn. Fred. Oh, 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 oh. That's because it's getting melted out, turning into crud. Bare spots. Oh.